Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change commentary team in Madden 27. I'm gonna show you in both, like in franchise mode and quick play as well. So let's start with quick play. So if you select quick play and go to play now. So for instance, we're gonna select the custom game. Now right here, once you choose the team and basically once you're ready, you'll able to see window like this. Here you can see we have the option to change the commentary team. So whichever you like, you can simply pick that and proceed with that commentary team. It's that easy to change the commentary team in quick play. Now let's talk about how you can change it in franchise mode. So for that, firstly let me select franchise. Here if you go to game day and select the play full game, press A, and simply here you're gonna see the option advanced settings. We have to open that, and here you can see we have the option to change the commentary team. So again, you can just choose whichever you like and simply proceed with that. It's that easy to change the commentary team in franchise mode. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.